This is a video inspection of a 2000 Haas mini mill. You can see it actually has the top cover, full 4th axis. So right now we're running in Rapids XYZ. Rotary table as well. Now we'll run the spindle starting out at 500 RPM. 500. 2500. 5000 RPM. And now we will do some tool changes. And now we'll do a quick walk around the machine. Inside the control. Coolant tank, coolant pump. Keypad. And this is the times on the machine. So you got servo time, motion time, spindle time. And that concludes our video demo of a 2000 Haas mini mill, full 4th with rotary.